In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the issue where the Wi-Fi option disappears or the Wi-Fi icon is missing in Windows 11. Please subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful troubleshooting videos. If you are using Windows 11 and suddenly notice that the Wi-Fi option has disappeared or the Wi-Fi icon is missing from the taskbar, don't worry. When you open Windows settings and go to Network and Internet, you may notice that the Wi-Fi option is not there. In some cases, if you open Device Manager and expand the Network Adapter section, you might not see any wireless or Wi-Fi adapter listed. If you are facing any of these problems, follow these steps carefully and we'll try to bring your Wi-Fi back. First, we need to check whether the problem is related to the Wi-Fi card hardware or just the drivers or system settings. To do this, open Command Prompt. Go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, and choose Run as Administrator. When the permission prompt appears, click Yes. After the command prompt window opens, type the command ping 127.0.0.1 and press Enter. If you receive replies, it means the Wi-Fi card is working properly, and the issue is most likely related to drivers or system configuration. Now, let's try the first solution, which is enabling the Wi-Fi adapter. Click on the Windows icon on the taskbar and open Settings. When the Settings window opens, select Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under the Network Adapter section, look for the Wi-Fi adapter. If it is disabled, simply click Enable. This should turn the Wi-Fi adapter back on, and the Wi-Fi icon should appear again. If the Wi-Fi adapter is already enabled but the problem still exists, check the Wi-Fi key on your keyboard. Some laptops have a physical Wi-Fi button or function key that can disable wireless connectivity. If it was pressed accidentally, press it again to enable Wi-Fi. If the issue still continues, the next step is to restart certain Wi-Fi services. Right-click the Windows icon on the taskbar and select Run. In the Run box, type services.msc and click OK. When the Services window opens, find a service called WLAN AutoConfig. You can press the W key on your keyboard to quickly reach the section with services starting with W. Once you find WLAN AutoConfig, double-click on it. Check the startup type, and if it is not set to automatic, change it to automatic. Then check the service status. If the service is already running, click Stop, and then click Start again to restart it. After that, click OK. Next, find another service called Network Connections. Press the N key to quickly locate it. Double-click on Network Connections. Set the startup type to automatic if it is not already, then stop the service and start it again. Click Apply and then OK. Now look for Network List Service. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, click Apply and then OK. After that, close the Services window and check whether the Wi-Fi icon has returned. If it is still missing, we will troubleshoot it through Device Manager. Right-click the Windows icon on the taskbar and select Device Manager. Once Device Manager opens, expand the Network Adapters section. If you do not see a Wi-Fi or wireless adapter, click on View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. If the Wi-Fi adapter appears after this, that is good. If it still does not appear, click on Action at the top and choose Scan for hardware changes. This will refresh the list and the wireless adapter may appear. If the adapter shows up but Wi-Fi still does not work, right-click on the adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers. You may see more than one Wi-Fi driver listed. If the first one does not solve the problem, try selecting the second one and click Next. Wait while Windows installs the driver, and once the update is successful, click Close and check if the Wi-Fi icon has appeared. If the issue continues, you can reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter in Device Manager and select Uninstall Device. Confirm by clicking Uninstall. After the driver is removed, restart your computer. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver after the restart. If the Wi-Fi option is still missing, the next step is to reset the wireless network settings using Command Prompt. Open the Windows search bar, type CMD, and run it as administrator. Click Yes to allow it. In the Command Prompt window, type the first command, netsh winsock reset, and press Enter. Then type the second command, netsh int IP reset, and press Enter. After that, type the third command, ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. These commands reset the network configuration and often restore missing network functionality. Close the command prompt window and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the Wi-Fi icon has returned. If not, you can perform a network reset from Windows Settings. Click the Windows icon on the taskbar and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset, then choose Reset Now and confirm by clicking Yes. Windows will notify you that the system will shut down shortly. Close the window and restart your PC manually. After your computer restarts, check the taskbar to see if the Wi-Fi icon has returned. In most cases, one of these methods should restore the Wi-Fi option. That's it for this guide. We hope these steps helped you bring your Wi-Fi back and fix the missing Wi-Fi option problem in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.